Hi YouTube, another day, another vehicle. This is the 2002-2003 Nissan Frontier with the 3.3, and this engine's they're using for the Nissan Frontier exterior. It have water leaking. See, water is leaking down there. See that? And it also have little bit leak right there, and water cannot drip all the way down. Sounds like a water pump, but I don't know where the leaking coming from. Hopefully not the water pump. The water pump look pretty new because I heard that the owner was changing like not too long. Yeah. With two plates under there and there. Okay. Pretty bad drip. Let me turn it off. So a lot of drip and making hump noise, like the bearing is worn out. So not sure exactly coming from. But let me see. Let me squeeze right here. Whoop. See that? Right there. When it's squeaking right here, water squirt from right there. You see that? Wow. There you go. That's the problem, I think. Okay. There's a little tiny hose that kind of almost like a L shape behind here. I think that popped. That's why it have so much water drip from right there. See it? So water pump probably is not the water pump then. Just the little heater hole up here. But to do that, probably have to move all this to be able to get that part right there. Okay, I'm going to remove this belt and remove this bracket here because the clamp is behind this bracket here. Okay. Wow, so loose already. Squeeze right there. Water is coming out from right here. The little pipe right here is broke. Okay, it's very tight space down here. I can squeeze this out, but not much room right here. Okay, possible just take the distributor out to get that out of the way so I have more room on that side. Put the cap out first. For the reason I take the cap out, because I want to see where the rotor pointed to. So when I take the cap, I just reline it with that, and so I don't have to be messed up with the distributor alignment. Okay. Alright, it points straight to right here. Take this air hose out so I have more room right here. I'm going to mark straight right here to right there in the wall, so I know where that going to. Using swivel. Okay, that's the way. Put right there. Now you can see the clamp is all the way this side right here. So a little bit room, but there's not much. So we'll see. I can take him out without removing more stuff. So from the bottom here, I'm using this to hold it. Okay. So on the top, I have to use a different method. Pry a little bit here to get it open, so I can stick my tool down here to unclamp down here. But I'm going to use this to cut it. Okay. So when you cut it open, it's easier to pull it out. I'll take this clamp out first, so we'll be out of the way. Cut the bottom here first. So tough. Oh, see that right here? That's what's leaking from here. Okay. So when I go put it back, I'm not going to use this no more because it's hard to get this in. So I'm going to use the tie. This came off. Okay. So I'm going to match with the auto part stuff. I actually put on top of that, and I marked a little bit over the original one. So when I mark a little bit over, so in case my mistake, I can re-chop to make it fit better. This side, the same thing. So I'm going to put this ring in this way, so I can screw on this side, and that so I can screw on this side. So I'm going to fit the ring in first, and then I'm going to push in. So kind of tough to put the pipe in there without removing the 3 bolts on the housing. You have to take some time. I did take a little bit time to finish it, so I did not show how to push or anything like that, but you have to take time, you know, to push hard to make sure it go all the way in, because the pipe is so close together like that. Okay, so but you take time, you should be able to do it without moving any other part besides just moving that. So now I'm going to tie this lower clamp right here, and that will be done for the pipe. So I need to put my distributor back in. So that points straight to where I got the distributor taken out. The most important is your timing mark right here. You know, if you don't put it back to where exactly we get it out, you may not have a cranking problem. So then you have to reset all your timing mark and all that stuff to get it right. But I marked everything, so Everything is straight up. Okay. Put that back in here. Let's pipe back in. Lock this up. Okay, and distributor cap back up to Alright, let me fire it up to see any more leaking.